Alright, good luck players, Team Dadbad and Team Lena.
Sino kaya mananalo dito?
Alright, we will request the first 5 players. Please proceed to the hard court.
Para sa lahat yan.
So, as per the rule, no, pag hindi complete uniforms, meron isang technical. So, there will be one technical free throw for the Team Lena.
Pusot.
Dapat pangatos plus 2 eh. Plus 2. Kasi pinagagawa ng iba-iba.
One.
Player paglaba. Oo nga eh, no? Sa pagtuturo sa vertical yung game nyo rin doon. Ito rin din naman.
Oh, sorry.
Alright.
Okay lang.
Fair enough. So,
Malay ko, maintindihan mo.
alright, start the game. And the first possession will be Team Lena. Steal yan ni Boktoy. Boktoy jumps. One goal. Rebound by Legaspi.
Shot lock.
7 to shoot. Legaspi forcing the offense, using the board, one go. Rebound by Legaspi, steal, puts it in. Epukan now, setting up the play. Finds Humangit. Humangit. To the Humo. Humangit. In the paint. Puts it in.
Inasayang pa cobra ko ah.
Mendoza now, dribbling the ball. Mendoza to Legaspi, 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Mendoza fakes. Traveling violation. Rebukan to Sampang. Back to Rebukan. Boktoy. Rebukan fakes. Boktoy, 10 to shoot. Sampang in the paint. Yes, sir. Mendoza finds Limbo. Forcing the offense. Rejected. And a steal by Mendoza. Mendoza to Legaspi. Mendoza fakes the three. To Legaspi pulls the three from the downtown. Won't go. Out of bounds. Rebukan to Sampang. Sampang straight to the basket. And a foul. Who's foul rep?
78.
Number
78.
78. Sampang will be in the line for his free throw. Sumablay ang unang tira. And the second one is good. Alright, Mendoza, number 20, setting up the play, trap pass, and a steal by Boktoy. Boktoy behind the back pass to Sampang, to Boktoy, and a foul committed by number 20, Mendoza. Substitution, pasok. Substitution. Lena will be bounding the ball. Sampang. De Hugo to Rebukan. Fakes and a traveling violation. to Legazpi against Rebukan. Passing to the wrong man. Miscommunication. Out of bounds.
Bola.
Ball will be in favor of Team Lena. And as Rebukan pulls the three. Won't go. Out of bounds. Mendoza, number 20, setting up the play. Looking for his teammates, finds Limbo in the paint, pulls, puts it in. Our score is 4-5 in favor of Team Lena. Rebukan drop pass to Sampang. Yes, sir! What a beautiful pass. And a score by Sampang at the baseline. Malili pulls the three. One go. Rebound by Neumo to Rebukan. Rebukan penetrates. Overshoots. Rebound by Malili. Mendoza, a drop pass to Limbo. Limbo to Legazpi. One hand shot, one go. Out of bounds. Miscommunication pass. Time remaining 5 minutes. Malili fakes. And a steal by the team. Lena, Tehumo, to Rebukan, drop pass to Boktoy. Behind the back pass. And miscommunication out of bounds. Same ball. No, it will be possession of that by Eduardo penetrates and a foul. Who's fouled up? Number 25. Time remaining 4 minutes 22. First row won't go. And the second one still misses. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Eduardo forcing the offense at the baseline. A well-defended basketball by the team Lena. Who's fouled up? Number 5. Knocking foul, number 5. Team Lena. Humangit, crossover shot, puts it in. Our score is 9-4. Nakatapig yung bola na kuha ng Team Lena. Sampang, puts it in.
Timeout.
Score. Official.
Official score, 11-4. Humangit.
Pumasok na daw kasi sa nang-assist ng third. Pumasok dun sa kabila.
Oo. Hindi naman, di pa.
Traveling violation.
Kanina.
Time out, Team Lena.
Dito,
Sakto lang naman yung score, di ba? Kaya yung isang nice score nila.
Oo.
Our official score is 11-4. Time remaining 3 minutes 19.
Kaya pala hindi siya
Pakitan niya.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Oo,
Official Official score is 11-4 in favor of the team Lena. Limbo inbounding the ball to Carlo. Ayaw mag-start. Umangit to Boktoy. Boktoy. Pulse. Out of bounds. Arlo. And a steal by Rebukan. Rebukan in the paint. Behind the back dribble. Fakes. Recovered by Sampang. Sampang crossing. Rebukan to Sampang. Speeds. Puts it in. What a beautiful spin and a conversion made by Sampang. Limbo forcing the offense, won't go. And si Boktoy penetrates. Short lang ang tira. Arlo now, behind the back, cooking. Finds, post ledge. Short, rebound by Humangit. Humangit. Straight to the basket. And ang ganda sana, one down. Alakobi yun, hindi lang pumasok. And si Eduardo forcing the offense, won't go. Rebound na yan ni Humangit. Humangit still, Humangit. Humangit to Rebukan. Pulls the three. Overshoots. Rebound by Bosglen. Bosglen to Carlo. Carlo fires the three. Yes, sir! 3 points, Carlo. And a steal by the team. Pero wala yan. Nakaulit ng team Lena. Boktoy. Boktoy finds Sampang. Sampang steal. To Boktoy at the baseline. Short, recovered. Puts it in. Score. 15-7. Carlo again. Short ang tira out of bounds. Favor of Team Lena. Pass to Rebukan. Rebukan setting up. Fires the three. Hindi pa rin. Recovered. Wala pa rin. Recovered by Sampang. Puts it in. 17-7 ang ating score.
22 seconds.
Atapik yung bola. Nakulit ng Team Lena yan. Humangit. 15 seconds. Humangit. Inulit. Pasok na yan. 9 seconds na lang tayo. Ang ating score. 5
Buzzer
seconds.
na lang, buzzer.
Buzzer. Libre na yan si Eduardo. Puts it in. Our score. 19-9 in favor of Team Lena. We are now in the second quarter of this game. This time is brought to you by Shopmore, Fridays, Coco Lemon, and Easy Mini Mart. Team Lena is ahead by 10 points in this first quarter. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Box ball. Alright, Balili to Bosglen. Pulls the three, Bosglen, short. Rebound by Rebukan. Rebukan to Boktoy. Boktoy penetrates. Overshoots, rebound by Carlo. Carlo. To Glenn. Pulls the three. Short. Rebound by Rabanal.
Ay, sobra.
Malakas ang pasa. Out of bounds. Alright, go. Move in favor of that team. Touchback. And si Idol Carlo. Post Glenn. Drop pass to Balili. 30 to shoot. Balili forcing the offense. Recovered. 9 to shoot. Recovered by, yes sir, by Epardo. 11-19. 19 to shoot. Boknoy. Traveling violation. Substitution. Alright, pasok na. Alright. 19-11. Michael, drop pass to Boss Glenn. To Balili in the paint. Miscommunication out of bounds. Substitution. Pasok. Alright, wala yan ng team Lena. Lena, Boknoy, dribbling the ball. Pass to Caleb for the three. Puts it in. 3 points. Caleb. 22-11. Arlo finds Balili. Overshoots. Recovered by Michael. To Mendoza for the three. One go, rebound by Boknoy. Boknoy. Crossing the midcourt. Penetrates. Puts it in. Our score is 11-24 in favor of Team Lena. Ayan si Mendoza to Michael. Pulls. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Humangit. To Boknoy and a steal by Michael. Michael to Evardo. Puts it in. Sampang. Traveling violation. Arlo crossing the midcourt. Setting up the play, looking for his teammates. Drop pass to Balili. Per-meter shot by Balili. Overshoots, rebound by Humangit. Humangit. Out of bounds.
Bagsak ang cellphone.
Mendoza. To Carlo. To Michael. Back to Mendoza. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Carlo pulls the three. Wala yan. Cover D. Evardo puts it in. Evardo is on fire tonight. 15-24 ang ating score. Almost a steal. And a steal by Mendoza. Mendoza to Carlo. To Evardo again. Evardo puts it in. Unstoppable, Evardo. Ayan na si Sampang. Ganap na mapasahan. Setting up the play. 19 to shoot. Almost. Losing the ball. Pero naka-recover yan. Ni Boknoy. Boknoy forcing. And who's foul? Number 25. Isa na lang. Meron na kayo. Evardo, libre na si Carlo. Back to Evardo. Walang tira. Hindi pumasok. Ayun na si Boknoy. Boknoy! Boknoy steal! That's an offensive.
Yung isa yung blocking foul.
Blocking foul, number 20. Paul Mendoza. Humangit, nawala ang bola. Recovered by Humangit. To Caleb, in the paint. Lumabas ang tira. Recovered. Humangit still. 10 to shoot.
7 susunod.
7. Pasok yan. 26-17 ang ating score. Michael, 2. Intercepted by the team Lena to Sampang. Sampa penetrates, spins, overshoots, recovered by Caleb. Floater shot, puts it in. What a beautiful spin floater by Lena. Mendoza faking the offense, using that board, puts it in. Our score is 28-19, 4 minutes in the second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang team Lena. 10 seconds violation. Time out, team Lena. Our score is 19-28 in favor of Team Lena. Time remaining 3 minutes 42 seconds. This time brought to you by Coco Lemon, Fridays, Shop 4, Easy Minimart, and Top Toto Reyes. Our next game for tonight will be between Epos Lazarus and Team United Ballers. We are now in the quarterfinals of this tournament. Back to the ball game.
Walang ano niya ka.
Boss, wala tayong 14, 24 lang siya nakaset. Alright, ayan na si Michael, fights Balili, puts it in! Libre si Balili. 21-28 ang ating score. Ayan na si Rabanal, to Caleb, to Sampang, forcing the offense, finds Boknoy at the baseline, short ang tira, rebound na yan ang team Dadman. Team Dadman Michael, nakita si Balili, libre na yan si Balili, penetrates, rejected. Well defended basketball by the team Lena. And a steal, out of bounds. It will be possession from team Lena. Lena Caleb setting up the play. Pulls the three. Caleb won't go. Rebound by Evardo. Evardo to Michael. Loose the ball out of bounds. Timeout, Team Data. Both teams wala na kayong timeout for this second quarter. Sa first quarter, hindi nyo nagamit. Wala na yun. Sa timeout sila nagamit, isa na rin sa inyo. Hindi isang timeout lang. Sa first and second, third. Sa fourth, dalawa. Wala na. Hindi siya mag-carry over. Both teams, wala na kayong timeout. Every quarter hanggang third, first, isang timeout lang yan. Fourth quarter, meron kayong 2 timeouts. Each. Back to the ball game. 400. Ayan na si Boknoy. Boknoy to Sampang in the paint. Overshoots. Rebound by Balili. Balili. Mendoza, 16 to shoot. Balili. To Mendoza, pulls the trigger. Won't go. Rebound by Evardo. Evardo forcing the offense. And a foul Number 7, pushing foul. Eduardo looking for his teammates, finds Mendoza to Michael. Malili in the paint, pulls. One goal. Same for possession. Eduardo looking for his teammates, finds Mendoza. Mendoza fakes, jumps, short, rebound by Humangit. Humangit to Sampang. Sampang penetrates. Beautiful layup by Sampang. Score is 30-21. Michael, dribbling the ball. Wala ang bola. Same ball possession. To shoot. Eduardo on the baseline, overshoots, rebound by Boktoy. Boktoy penetrates, puts it in. Okay. Rebound by Michael, and a score. Our score is 32-23. Foul rep number 21. Number 1, sorry. Substitution. Our score is 32-24. That's the official score. Substitution. Pasok na. And the first one is good. 33-24. We only have 20 minutes. Nakuha yan isang pangulit. 90 to shoot. 70 to shoot. 33-24. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 8. Malili puts it in. 5 to shoot. 26-33. Libre sa Sampang. And a score! Outlet yun. Our score is 35-26. Official in favor of Team Lena. We are now in the third quarter of this game. We are now in the half-time 2 minutes break. Our next game for tonight will be Team Ipos Lasers and Team United Bowlers. Knockout game yan sa kanila, dalawa.
May mag-knockout na ngayon. Ito, pag may manalo. Panalo ang pasok pa sila.
May laban pa tong Deadbat.
Laglag na. Nanalo sila, meron pa silang knockout.
Hindi. Oo. Tinapos na kaagad eh. Lamok?
quarter of this game. Change scored na ang both teams. Our score is 35-26 in favor of Team Lena. Wala na ng Team Lena yan. Alep pulls the three. Rebound by Sampa. Puts it in. Assist pala yun. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Kaya na si Legaspi fakes. Out of bounds. Kaya na ang team Lena. Boktoy setting up the play. 10 to shoot. Boktoy still finds Humangin. Pulls the three from the downtown. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ang team. Still ulit ng team Lena. Libre na naman si Sampang. Puts it in.
Player na naman.
Yan ang team Tadpad. Goes Albert. Out of bounds. Okay. Warning number 15 for this court sorting. Yan na si Boktoy. Boktoy na walang bola. Nakuha yan ng team Dadbad. Team Dadbad. Long pass to Ebardo. Ebardo na walang bola. Out of bounds. Bola na ng team Lena yan. Team Lena. Alep to Boktoy. Boktoy pulls the three. Puts it in. 3 points. Boktoy.
Bakit ka nag-score sa kabila? 26 lang kami.
Our score is 42-26. Tumira din si Balili. Nakuha yan na ng team Lena. Bola. Team Lena. Inaras ni Ebardo. And a steal by Ebardo. Ebardo finds Boslet. Drop pass to Legaspi. To Boslet. Fakes and a traveling violation. Alep to Humangin. Humangin. Pass to Rabanar. Pulls. In and out. O yan na ng team. Dadbad. Ebardo. Speeds. Puts it in. Our score is 28-42. Alep. Sampang. Sampang setting up. Finds Boktoy. 10 to shoot. Boktoy pulls the three. Short ang tira. Rebound by Ebardo. Ebardo now on the baseline. Finds. And a steal by Boktoy. Boktoy, number 7. Behind the back pass to Sampang. Puts it in. What a beautiful pass and a score. Steal ulit yan. And 3 points. Our score is 47-28. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 20. Our score is 28-47. Out of bounds. Wala na ng team Dadbad yan. Our score is 47.
Hey, dahan-dahan lang.
Glenn pulls. Short, recovered by Glenn. Short, recovered by Legaspi. 10 to shoot. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Is concerning shouting, number 15, technical. And the first one is good. And almost a steal. Tumira si Palili pero wala yan. Sampak. Pass to Caleb. Puts it in. And ang tip, Dadbat, short ang tira ni Ebardo. Nakuha pa rin ni Ebardo yan. Ebardo, pumasok yan, tira ni Boss Medina. And ang tip, Lena Boktoy. Pass to Rabanal. Pulls, overshoots. Rebound by Legaspi. Gaspi to Ebardo, looking for an open man, finds Medina, naharas Medina, and foul. Who's foul rep? Number 15.
Sub daw.
Substitution. Number 15 out, Ehud Moin, number 27. Glenn will be in the line for his bonus. And the first one go. Second one, yes, go. Another one, bonus. And short yan, and recovered yan ang team. That bad, Ebardo to Balini at the baseline, drop pass to Ebardo, puts it in. Ganda ng pasahan ng team that bad. Our time is 4 minutes 23. Official score, 34-49. And na si Boktoy, forcing the offense, puts it in. Wala na ng team, Dadbad, to Legaspi, short, recovered, Ebardo again. Rebound na yan ng team Lena Boktoy. Hit the paint. Fakes and a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 20. Foul number 20, substitution. Fourth personal foul, number 20. Fourth personal foul, number 20. Mendoza. Sino? Ayan na, nakuha yan na ng team. Dadbad. Team Dadbad. Carlo fakes in the paint. Finds Mendoza. Pulls. Puts it in. Warning block for delaying the game. 3 minutes 32 in this third quarter. Cabanal, drop pass to the wrong man. Mendoza, behind the back pass to Carlo. Carlo, drop pass to Balini, fakes, finds Mendoza, the baseline, puts it in. Sampang, our score is 51-40. 3 minutes in this third quarter. Sampang again. And a foul, who's foul? Hit by number 29. Sampang will be the line for his first free throw. And the first one won't go. the second one is 2. Mendoza again. Wala yan. Rebound by Sampang. Sampang to Buktoy. Buktoy against Evardo. Speeds. Overshoots. Rebound by Balili. Balili to Mendoza. Mendoza drop pass to Legaspi. Legaspi looking for an open man. Finds Balili in the paint. Recovered. 10 to shoot. Balili pulls. Puts it in. Score 52-42 in favor of Team Lena. Lena is still ahead of 10. Still to shoot. Lena. Boktoy finds the wrong man. And a foul. Out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution, pasok na. We only have 2 minutes, 3 seconds in this third quarter. Arlo, setting up the play. Finds Mendoza, fakes the 3, drop pass to Legaspi, pulls the 3. Short, recovered by Evardo, overshoots at the baseline, and out of bounds. Mendoza steals. Mendoza to Arlo. Arlo, drop pass to Limbo at the baseline, and a score by Limbo. Reset. Bigyan niyo ako ng ano, kasi nag-error yung ano, nag-error yung timer natin. Hamon. Timeout muna, committee timeout. Yun, nag-reset siya sa 10, no? 1 minute and 26 yung natitira. Wait lang, gamit tayo cellphone. Nalobat siguro itong ano natin. Nalobat. Meron naman. Wait lang. Tayo ko muna. Ang ating score. 44 yan. 44. Nalobat lang kasi siya. Wait, nag-i-reset yan.
Ang gagawin natin, tapusin na lang muna natin.
Alright, i-charge muna natin talagang ano siya eh. Nagre-reset siya kusa. So we'll be using a cellphone na lang muna. Nagre-reset yung ating timer. Naglolo ko siya. So meron na lang tayong ngayon natitirang 1 minute and 26 seconds in this third quarter. We'll be using mobile phone. So,
Ito di gumagana. Tagal pa naman ang ano niya.
Oo, tagal. Cellphone na lang, mabilis. Sinasabi niyo naman.
Ready na yan for ano next.
alright, ito yung official time natin. 1 minute. 1 minute and 26. Your score is 42, 44, 52. Ubat yung timer eh. So ito gamitin natin lang. I-announce ko na lang kung 10 seconds. Sasisigaw ko. Alright. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game. Sasabihin ko, 15 seconds. Sasabihin ko na agad, 15 seconds. Oh, nagsa-start siya. Gamitin natin yan. Oo. Lobat pa eh. Lobat siya. Oh, wait naman. Alright. Alright, back to the ball game. Start na tayo. Ayan, tumatakbo na yung oras. 19 to shoot. Wala yan. Rebound na ng team. Bad. Yan, 24 shot clock tayo. 20 seconds na lang. Evardo. Mendoza. Pulls. Puts it in. 46-52. 59 seconds na lang tayo in this third quarter. Bumangin at the baseline. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ng team. Not bad. 20 seconds. Carlo flies. Won't go. Ulit ang team that bad. Floats. Wala. 18 seconds. 10 seconds. Wala na yan. Nakuha ulit ng team. 20 seconds na lang tayo. Pumasok. 18 seconds. Ang ating score, 48-52. Who's foul up? Number 9. Meron na lang tayong 13 seconds. Our score is 48-52. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Boknoy. 6 seconds na lang niya. 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
Passer ko dito kasi.
6 seconds. 4. Pasok yan. And time. Our score, 48-54.
Ayan.
Our official score, 48-54 in favor of Team Lena. Subukan na natin gamitin to.
Mag-shut down ko yan. Fourth na. Tigas response naman. Tigas response. Tindahan mo lang kasi. Ano sila ba yun? Ano, usok
Alright, that is the official score. We are now in the fourth quarter. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung 1 dyan. Alright, back to the ball game na ba tayo? Are you ready? Alright, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter na tayo ha. We are now in the fourth quarter of this game. 48-54 ang ating score. Wala na ng Team Godbad. Mendoza pulls. And a foul. Number 9, Limbo. And si Rabukan setting up the play, looking for his teammates. Well to shoot. Nawalang bola, out of bounds. Bola na ng team. Godbad yan. Team Godbad. Ay, sila yan! And a foul by number 3. Rabukan. Eduardo to Carlo, drop pass to Balili, to Carlo, pulls the 3, short yan, rebound by, umangit to Dehumo looking for his teammates, finds Boktoy, 16 to shoot, Boktoy, nawalang bola, same ball possession. Out of bounds, bola pala ng Team Godbad yan. Alright. Our score is 48-54 still. Carlo looking for his teammates. Pulls the 3. Short ang tira ni Carlo. Pass to Boktoy. Yun si Boktoy. Penetrates and a score! 56-48. Bola na ng Team Godbad yan. Eduardo forcing the offense at the baseline. Finds Carlo, number 17 to number 20. Mendoza. And a foul. Who's foul?
19.
Number 19, foul, Sampak. Ayan na, si Balili. Team bounding the mount, number 20, Mendoza. Mendoza looking for number 10, finds Carlo. So Eduardo finds Legaspi at the baseline, fakes, and a score! Antoine basketball by Limbo. 50-56 ang ating score.
27 foul.
Number
27
number 27 is foul. Limbo. The first one is good. 5 na lang. Kalamangan ng Team Lena.
Pare, pwesto mo pare.
Yan na si Boktoy. 9 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Boktoy penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ng team. Not bad. Walang bola. Our score is 51-56. 7 minutes 33 in this last quarter. Meron pa kayong tigda dalawang timeouts. Both teams. This is Carlo. Finds Balili. Eduardo at the baseline. Puts it in. 53-56 ang ating score. Ayan na, si Rebukan. Kaanap na mabasahan si Rebukan. 14 to shoot. Rebukan, 2. Tehumo, overshoots. Recovered by Rebukan, 6 to shoot. 4 to shoot. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 20. Number 12, sorry, number 12. Number 12 is foul. Rebukan, step back, 3. Overshoots, rebound by Eduardo. Tatlo na lang kalamangan ng Team Lena. And as Eduardo finds Balili, the baseline, back to Eduardo, and a score! 55-56 ang ating score. And as Rebukan, to Sampang, 10 to shoot, Sampang, pulls, foul yan. Who's foul rep? Number 9. Foul, Limbo. Third personal foul. Limbo.
Pumasok ba?
And it's good. Dalawang pumasok sa free throw.
Sub daw, sub.
Mamaya idol, pagka patay ang wala. Yeah. Ayaw tumakbo ang oras.
Ah, shutdown na naman. Teka lang.
Alright, wait lang. Time out. Nag-shutdown na naman, idol. Sorry ha. Shutdown na naman.
Sila lang tayo sa
Anong oras yun?
6:20.
6:20.
6:20 na.
6:20 ang ating time ha. Hangon. Pero pumasok yung tira niyan.
Pero
Free throw. Yung free throw. Okay, pasok. Ito yung official score natin ha. 55-58.
Kaya mo muna ito.
Alright.
Kasi naiiwan lang dyan lagi kaya hindi na-charge eh. Circle yun.
Palpakit ang ano natin. Anong oras niyo? 6 minutes. And 20. So yung natitirang oras sa ating fourth quarter is 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Alright? Okay, may I request 2 players here para makita niyo yung
dito para makita niyo yung score.
takbo ng oras at saka score. Alright?
Sa players, para
Alright.
makita yung score.
Alright, inbounding the ball. Mendoza, pulls, short. Rebound yan ng team. Team, Lena, Rebukan, drop pass to Sampang. Sampang, steal. In the paint, short, recovered, and a foul. Who's foul rep?
Pre, oras pre.
6 minutes na lang tayo ha. Sino foul?
20.
For 20. Fourth, no? Third personal foul, number 20. Sampang will be in the line for his bonus. And the first one is
Lakas.
malakas ang tira. Score natin, 55-58. The second one won't go. Rebound na yan ng team. Dadbad. Team Dadbad. Naghanap naman pa sa ating Carlo. Carlo, 17 to shoot. 16 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Balili. Puts it in. Balili. 57-58 ang ating score.
Payak na lang, Gar.
Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Then ang team, Lena Boktoy, forcing the offense, finds the hubo, natapik yung bola. Time out, sorry. Out of bounds. Right, 20 seconds tayo. Rebukan, pulls the 3. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha yan ni Sampang. Balik ang bola sa team. Dadbad. 20 seconds tayo. Carlo penetrates. Puts it in. Time out, team. Dadbad. Ang ating score. Sila. Time out, Lena. Ang ating score, 59-58. Lamang na ang team Dadbad ng 1 point. Time remaining, 5 minutes in this fourth quarter. Isang timeout na lang natitira sa Team Lena dito sa Dadbad. Dalawa pa ang timeout niya. We only have 5 minutes remaining in this fourth quarter. Biglang lamang ang Team Dadbad ng 1 point. 59-58. 5 minutes.
Tapat-tapat na tayo, Gar.
Alright, back to the ball game na tayo. Back to the ball game. Inbound in the ball, number.
Dara, lapit pre.
Ayun na, tumatakbo na yung oras.
Okay pre, oras.
Boktoy, throws the three, short, rebound by. Rebound by Team Godbud. 19 to shoot. 17 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Limbo, pulls the three,
Kaya
short.
pre, bigay.
Rebound by Sampang. Humangit. Humangit. Humangit still. And score by Humangit. Ang ating score, 60-59. Lamang na ang team. Lena ulit ng 1 point. 4 minutes, 27. 19 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Evardo at the baseline.
Back.
Wala yan. And the rebound ng team. Who's foul rep? Out of bounds. Out of bounds, same ball possession.
Cutter, Gar.
Yan na, si Balili. Jumper shoot yan. Pasok yan kay Balili. Lamang na ulit ang team Godbud na 1 point. And a steal.
Pare, may point lang tayo.
And a steal. And a steal by the team Godbud. 20 seconds. 3 minutes. 59 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 8, 7, 6. Short yan. Nakuha yan ng team. Lena. Rebukan. Libre na. Side step. Foot clear. Lamang na ng isa. Time out. Time out, Team Godbud. Ang ating score, 61-62. Lamang ang Team Lena. Time remaining, 3 minutes, 33 seconds. Ganda ng laban, palitan niya. 61-62 ang ating score. Lumamang ulit ang Team Lena ng 1 point. We only have 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Our official score is 61-62.
Mamaya na. Mamaya na, mama. Hindi, pinalit ko na nga.
Alright, back to the ball game. Ang ating oras ay 3 minutes and 33. Lamang ng 1 point ang team Godbud. Kaya tumatakbo ng oras, 20 seconds. 16 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Mendoza forcing the offense. Who's foul rep? Walang foul.
Meron.
Sino na foul? Number 25. Mendoza will be in the line. First throw is good. Deadlock tayo sa 62. And the second one is still good. Lamang na ng isa ang team. NSC, Boktoy. Boktoy still.
Ikot nyo, Gar.
Boktoy. Wala ang bola.
Ikot nyo,
Was
bola,
foul.
Gar.
Number 9. Fourth personal foul, number 9. Penalty situation na rin. Penalty na. Yes, penalty na. Penalty situation. Time remaining, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. 63-62. Lamang ang Team Godbud. And the first one is good. Tabla na tayo. 63 all na tayo. And the second one. One go. Recovered by Team Lena. Team Lena. Naghanap na mabasahan.
Yan.
Nakita si Rebukan. 17 to shoot. 16 to shoot.
14 lang dapat yun.
Wala yan, hindi pumasok. 24.
14 lang yun kasi sila nakarito.
I-reset.
Bigay!
20 seconds. Nawala ang bola. Who's foul rep? Walang po.
14 lang yun pagka sila pumipitro. 14 lang yun pag sila nakarito.
Okay. Ang ating oras ay 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Wala yan. Deadlock tayo sa 63. Sino yung na-foul kanina, rep? The second one is good. Labang ang Team Lena.
Harap!
Oras, 2 minutes, 30 seconds. 17 to shoot. Ayan to shoot. Na-steal yan ng Team Lena. And it's score. Ang ating score, 66.
Tapat na!
66, 63. Last 2 minutes.
Play!
Bigay!
Bigay!
Rebound na yan ng Team Lena. 20 seconds. 1 minute, 57. 18 to shoot. Boktoy forcing the offense. Rejected. Recovered by Sampang. Wala. Recovered pa rin ni Sampang. And score!
May foul pa.
With a foul. Ang ating score 68-63. 1 minute, 46 seconds. What's foul rep? Number 25 is foul. And one basketball by Sampang. He will be awarded for one bonus shot. And wala yan.
Yan! Baba!
Nakuha ulit ng Team Sampang. 20 seconds remaining.
Pwesto kayo ka!
1 minute 38. 16 to shoot. 40 na yan. 20 seconds.
Tapat!
Nakuha yan ng Team Lena.
Oras, Gar!
1 minute 18.
Takbo ka rin! Oras, pre!
18 to shoot. 1 minute 10.
Lamang kayo, pre!
14 to shoot.
Galaw!
10. 9. And a score.
Pwesa!
58 seconds na lang tayo.
Harap! Baba, pre!
And a score. 65-70 ang ating score. 48 seconds. Still yan. Carlo jumps. Short.
Oras.
24 seconds left. 35 seconds. Time out. Who's that? Who's foul? Wala. Okay, out of bounds. 21 seconds na lang tayo, ha? 39 seconds. And a score by Limbo. 67-70 ang ating score. 26 seconds left.
Baba kayo, pre!
22 seconds. Line violation. Ay, wala na. Hindi na umihinto yung oras. Wait lang. 15 seconds na lang tayo. 15 seconds. Sige. Ito lang. 67-70. 12 seconds na lang tayo. Bantayan nyo, ha? Ayan yan. Very sensitive.
Well. Harap, pre!
9 seconds. 6. Wala na. Hindi na umaanda ng oras. Sino na foul? Graduate na si number 9. 5 personal foul. 5 seconds pa yan. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Pasok mo, pare! Huwag kang madali!
Okay, okay lang.
Yun! Nice!
Wait lang.
Ulit!
5 seconds. Okay na yan. 5.7 seconds. Alright, meron pa tayong oras. 24. Oh, 14 na yan. Okay. Alright, sige.
Dalawa pa yan, dalawa pa, dalawa.
Dalawa yan, pre.
Dalawa pa yan.
Pumasok ko yung tira. Hindi kinalito tayo.
O, di ba tayo
Hindi pumasok ang tira. 5 seconds na lang tayo. Nice kill! And time! Ayan na. 67-70 ang ating score. So, that's the official score.
Tama yung sinasabi.